Hello and welcome to Cinema Express. My name is Ram Venkat Shreka. In this episode of Kutti Review, we'll be talking about the latest Telugu film Pushpaka Vimanam, directed by Damodara. The film stars Anand Devarakonda, Geeta Saini, Sanvi, Harshvardhan, Naresh, among others. So, in the film, Anand Devarakonda plays Sundar, a timid school teacher whose newlywed wife Meenakshi elopes with her lover. The entire first half of the film is devoted to his struggles as he runs from one corner to the other, keeping his wife absconding a secret from all the people around him. Sundar feels humiliated. He has to live with the fact that his wife left for someone better. The film has a lot of fun with this idea and it builds multiple set pieces from it. There is a prying neighbor played by Harshvardhan, the well-meaning but intervening colleagues played by Naresh, Giridhar, among others. There is a travel agent played by Badram who books for the couple's honeymoon even before their marriage. They all add to the fun. And the film's humor also works thanks to Sundar's helplessness, which is often the butt of jokes in this film. Despite being a thriller of sorts, Pushpak Vimanam is neither serious nor indulgent. It's a simple comedy that also serves as a mystery. The craft of this film is simple. The hardest the film tries is to grab your attention is by using neon lighting in a few scenes. The writing is simple, clean, but it has a few loose ends. With the story bringing crime, comedy and tragedy together, it's an unusual combination, but the film strikes balance really well. Even Ram Miryala's super good soundtrack aids in keeping the mood lively. Pushpak Vimanam becomes a mystery in the second half. There's a crime that happens which further complicates Sundar's life, and the guy has to now free himself from not just the humiliation but also the fact that he has to absolve himself from being called a criminal. So from being a low stakes comedy to it becomes a high stakes man on the run thriller. And I find it incredibly brave that the filmmakers chose to have a crucial and even shocking point during the interval and spend the rest of the film leading up towards what actually happened. When Sunil's character enters the scene as a fame-chasing police officer, he has a terrific introduction scene, great introduction scene. The mood of this film, when he enters, the mood keeps oscillating between dark comic thriller and a light comedy. But I wish the script offered Sunil more than just being this serious, stoic and suspecting police officer. The same goes with the characters played by Naresh and Harshvardhan. But if I have to pick a character that really stands out among the bunch, it's Sanvi's Rekha. She has a great scene with Sunil in police station, and although you foresee what's going to happen, it still lands thanks to Sanvi's performance. So the most of the scenes between Sanvi and Anand Devarakonda, they are familiar because the humor is emanating from confusion. Characters, for instance, characters ask questions and these people give different answers. We have seen comedies like this, but these sketches still work because there is a natural awkwardness to these scenes. I find that awkwardness very funny. This is where Anand Devarakonda's performance comes into play. He's excellent as this dorky Sundar who is always apprehensive. In one scene, he's pitted against a shirtless guy with bulging arms and triceps. You see that this guy is Sundar is anything but an alpha male. He's a very unlikely hero. Anand embodies Sundar's continuous restlessness beautifully. The issue with the film though is it's all over the place. The comedy at times feels repetitive. The film does make a few bold choices, but you wonder whether the filmmaker still needed scenes like where characters are slapping each other just to invoke some comedy. I found that unnecessary. So in all, Pushpak Vimanam is an enjoyable comedy with very interesting mystery angle that I quite enjoyed. If I have to give a punchline, that would be Pushpak Vimanam takes off really well. It does experience a few turbulences, but it lands very safely. That's it from this week's review of Pushpak Vimanam. It's playing in theatres near you. See you next week with another film. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to Cinema Express if you like the video. Thank you.